I think weightlifting is a must for every person at every age. And I am thrilled that Bear Grip sent me these weightlifting gloves, as I really needed a pair. Now, they are fingerless weightlifting workout gloves. Now, the palm of these gloves is wonderfully padded, not overly so, but just enough to protect you from getting blisters or calluses and help you hold your weight longer. And then it has this non-stick surface, and this is key to me. In a lot of my HIIT workouts, I will be moving a weight way up above my head or using it during lunges or in other fast moves where I don't want to lose grip of my weight, and this will help me keep it in place. Now, they're also designed to be super breathable. They have this very breathable mesh on the back side, so your hands should not overheat too much while wearing gloves during working out. And they're really smartly designed. Because of this mesh surface, they can be a little hard to pull on. So this synthetic leather portion actually does have a pull on it, so you can pull it on really nice, and then it has pulls this way as well to pull it back off. It feels perfect, so good. Really, really great on my hand. It comes in a variety of sizes so you can find the right fit for you. I absolutely love how this feels. They definitely don't feel bulky. They feel really good on my hands, really nice all around. I can see myself using these all the time. And what I love is not only is the palm protected, not only do they feel great, but they actually do have protection throughout all the way up each of the fingers, so you really can fully grip your weight, whatever you're lifting. These are easy to wash if you need to. They'll keep your hands cleaner, especially if you're working in a gym and using a variety of weights that other people have touched. This is a great way to keep your hands away from those surfaces. Really, really nice all around. If you're just using really light weights, they're great for HIIT workouts or anywhere where you're moving a weight quickly. And then when you get to heavier weights, they're really helping more with those calluses. And for me, helping holding onto the dumbbell for a longer period of time. Now, I'm not using super heavy weights, but these are clearly a game changer for me. They're helping me hold those dumbbells for my entire 20 to 30 minute workouts, and it just feels so much better. So whether you are a beginner or pro weightlifter, I cannot recommend Bear Grips enough. They are fantastic.